Welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to turn on group request notifications on Instagram, updated for the latest version of the app. If you want to stay on top of every new group invitation without missing a beat, this quick guide is just for you. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and head straight to your profile. You'll find your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're there, look to the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines icon. That's the menu button. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can customize all your Instagram preferences. Scroll down a bit until you see the Notifications option and tap on it. Inside the Notifications menu, find and tap on Messages. This section controls how you get notified about direct messages and group requests. Now, look for the Group Requests setting. By default, this might be turned off, so tap it and select On. This will make sure you get notified whenever someone invites you to a group chat on Instagram. And that's it. With these steps, you'll never miss a group request again. It's a handy way to keep your social interactions flowing smoothly and stay connected with friends, family, or colleagues. Remember, keeping your notifications tailored to your preferences helps you manage your Instagram experience better without getting overwhelmed. So take a moment to check your other notification settings while you're here to make sure everything suits your style. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying connected with all your group chats on Instagram.